Matin va, agus falchte an lesson show. Good morning, and welcome to this lesson. Today we're going to talk a bit about doing things on specific days. Really, how you combine actions and them happening on a specific day. This is very straightforward in Gaelic. It's actually easier than it is in English. Let's jump right in here. Let's get started. So, to start, let's review our days of the week. Let's put them right here on the board. Days of the week aren't the highest frequency words, so it can take additional practice. It can take longer for them to be just on the tip of our tongue and, quick in our minds. So let's get a bit of extra practice and then see how they combine with these phrases. So starting off here. Jeluin. Jamarsht. Jakiatin. Maybe you're remembering the song from that video about the fairies. Jeluin, Jamarsh, Jakiatin, Jerstein. Jerstein, Jehenya. Most people's favorite day, Jehenya, Friday. Jesahernya. Another great day. And then La Nasabich. La Nasabich or Jadoni, whichever one you prefer best. Yeah. Shane. All right. Jeluin, Monday. Jamarsh, Tuesday. Jakiatin, Wednesday. Jerstein, Thursday. Jehenya, Friday, Jesahernya, Saturday, and then La Nasabich or Jadoni for however you wish to say, Sunday. Excellent. So we've got our days of the week here. Let's talk about doing things on these days. Well, here are some various everyday things. Let's sort out what they mean first. Remember, when learning Gaelic, and if you want it to become very natural to you, second nature. You don't even have to think anymore. It just Gaelic comes out. Yeah, if you want that to happen, you need to understand what you read and hear. So let's go over this. Chai mi gan vu. I went to the shop or to the store, right? I went. Nice irregular verb there. I went to the store or the shop. And then blank. Excellent. What's next? Gavi mi kursht. I will take a walk. I will take a walk. Will take a walk. Blank. All right. Gavi mi kursht. Gavi mi kursht. So this little ending makes it future. IDH at the end. Future. Okay. Gleva. So I went to the shop on a certain day. I will take a walk on a certain day. Always good to get fresh air, especially as autumn comes closer and closer. Ooh, chavi mi egoper on a certain day. I don't work. I do not work on blank. So I don't work blank. So this can be do not, I do not work, I don't work, or I will not. I will not work. I will not be working on Tuesday, for example. Nice. All right, so this will not, that's the chavi. Chavi. And remember, we use future to talk about things that we do regularly, like routines, schedules, that kind of thing. Habits. Hobbies. I have a video all about that. Check it out if you haven't seen it. Could clarify some things for you. Okay, maha. Chavi mi agoper. I will not work, literally, or I don't work. So I don't work on Mondays, I don't work Fridays, etc., etc. I don't work on Wednesdays. Okay, excellent. So we have some everyday phrases here. Let's combine them with our days. This is the easiest part. You ready? I'm going to work some magic here. I went to the shop on Monday, right? Chai mi gan vu Jeluain. Done. I went to the shop Monday. Literally, that's what we're saying. I went to the shop Monday. Notice in English we say on Monday, but Gaelic, traditionally, you don't even need that on. You don't need it at all. Just Jeluain, or whatever day you're talking about. If I went to the shop on Tuesday, Chai mi gan vu Jamarsht. Went to the shop on Wednesday, Chai mi gan vu Jakiatin. What about Thursday? Chai mi gan vu Jirstein. I went to the store on Friday, Chai mi gan vu Jehunya. I went to the shop Saturday, Chai mi gan vu Jasahernya. And what if you went to the store on Sunday? Not an option in some places. Chai mi gan vu Lanasabich, or Jadoni, if that's your preference. All we're doing is putting the day that we did those right after what we did. Very straightforward. We don't have to do anything fancy to it. All right, let's keep going. I will take a walk on Thursday. Gavi mi kursht jirstuin. Done. I'll take a walk on Monday. Gavi mi kursht Jeluain. Done. It's great. What about not working? I do not work Fridays? Okay. 3-day weekend every week. That sounds great. Chavi mi agoper Jehunya. Excellent. Well done. Just like that. That's it. All you do is plug in your day of the week after whatever is being discussed, whatever action is being discussed. And you can add in more detail, like Monday morning, Monday afternoon, that kind of thing, Monday evening, etc., etc. And you would just be putting in matin or feskere oiche along with these. I'm going to make a separate video about that. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Yeah. So if you're talking about doing things on specific days, you don't need this on. You don't need it at all. Do not need to say on Monday, on Tuesday, on Friday, etc. You might see it happen. I mean, it's okay. These things happen in colloquial Gaelic, right? In everyday Gaelic, some people do say ed on Tuesday. However, in traditional Gaelic, in the Gaelic mindset, we don't need that ed. We don't need to say on. We just say Monday. I listened to music Monday. I cooked a nice spicy curry Thursday. That's it. We don't need this on at all. Save yourself, a little bit of work. Train yourself to just don't put in that on. Don't need it. Okay. Gleva. I'm looking forward to seeing your Gaelic grow a bit sharper from this and closer to that of a native speaker. All right. Well done. Thanks for joining me. See you in another video. Gleva.